so pissed off at Dr. Chris. Ugh. Are you ever gonna pick up those clothes on the floor that I asked you about?
Bet you can't catch me.
Oh, my arch. My arch is burning.
You can't catch me.
My arch. It's burning.
Problem. Consulting. So what you're telling me is that you weren't able to catch Chris.
Yep.
Assessing. Diagnosing. Okay, so what do we know, Katie? Number one, you're reporting with burning under the arch of your foot. Mm-hmm. Number two, we know you have about a moderate amount of adhesion in that area, and we know that the main aggravating factor is running. What does this mean? In that area under the arch, there is a nerve, as you can see here in orange. When there is adhesion around that nerve, it's going to become entrapped, meaning it's not going to be able to glide past the other tissues the way that it should. As a result, you're going to get burning that is produced, especially when you run, which is why you couldn't catch Chris. That is for you. Crushed it. Treating. Scraping.
Chris, the damn clothes again.
No! Oh!
Now I have you and my foot's not burning.
Well, I think we're gonna have you start off over. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I gotta get you mic'd.
Okay.
Okay, let's get this on. Good. Okay, now we can go.
All right, I think I'm good to go.
All right, why don't we do that?
So you're telling me that you're...
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Your mic is off. We gotta fix this a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna go up. Actually, we're gonna do this here, right here. Get up a little bit. Okay, I think that should do it.
Okay.
All right, and action.
So what you're telling me is that you weren't able to catch Chris. All right, guys, I'm headed out for the weekend. Everyone have a good one.
Whoa. Sorry. You forgot your mic, man.
Do that all
Now,
the
these
time.
are expensive. It's all good.
I got
Thank
you.
you.
All right, bye,
Have a good
guys.
weekend, Jeff.
Enjoy.